We have no reliable heroes, and yet we still need protection. Witness the Invincible, stronger than all of the Avengers rolled into one, and soon to be known as Earth's mightiest hero.
Why would a god take orders from anyone at all? Maybe I need to show you what I'm capable of.
Sentry's gone off the rails, and he's dangerous. Avengers, you're gone. No one is coming to save the day.
We could be the people that are coming.
Wait, us?
Yeah, you.
Why, you got someplace to be?
I love that guy.
Bucky, you have the wrong people. We have all done bad things.
You can live with it forever, or you can do something about it.
Being the hero, saving people in the streets. There is no higher calling.
You guys done with therapy?
Let's do this.
You may not see what I see, but this has the makings of a team that can race to glory.
There's no use fighting.
You're not Earth's mightiest heroes.
No.
We are the